Are your legs feeling weak? Do your hands tingle for no reason? You're not alone. These are common signs of collagen decline. After age 60, your body's natural collagen production drops sharply. That drop can lead to joint pain, stiffness, poor circulation, and even leg cramps at night. But here's the good news, you can fight back naturally. Today, I'll share 5 collagen-rich fruits you must eat after 60. They're backed by science and easy to add to your daily routine. These fruits support joint health, muscle strength, and circulation without relying on supplements. Plus, they taste amazing. Let's start with 1. Kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen synthesis by activating the enzymes needed for its formation. Just 1 kiwi provides over 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. A 2013 study in the Journal of Nutritional Science confirmed that vitamin C boosts collagen production and improves joint health. Eating kiwi daily can reduce stiffness and help keep your hands and legs feeling strong. Next is 2. Guava. This tropical fruit is a collagen powerhouse, with over 200% of your daily vitamin C in just 1 serving. It also contains zinc and copper, essential for collagen cross-linking and tissue repair. According to a 2020 review in Nutrients, guava supports stronger connective tissue and reduces oxidative damage to joints. Add it to your breakfast, and your joints will thank you. Third, we have blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down. A 2019 study in Molecules showed that anthocyanins slow collagen loss and reduce inflammation. They also improve circulation, helping relieve symptoms like tingling hands and weak legs. A handful of blueberries daily is a powerful anti-aging move. 4. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. They're not only rich in vitamin C, but also bioflavonoids that enhance collagen stability and absorption. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2014, highlighted that this combo improves connective tissue strength and blood vessel health. That means better circulation, reduced cramps, and more mobility after 60. Finally, 5. Strawberries. These berries bring vitamin C, manganese, and ellagic acid, all known to support collagen and reduce joint inflammation. A 2016 study in Food and Function found that strawberries reduce inflammatory markers and improve flexibility in older adults. They also help prevent collagen breakdown caused by oxidative stress. Perfect for maintaining mobility and pain-free movement. And now, let's talk about Richard, age 67. He struggled with tingling hands, stiff joints, and short, painful walks. But after adding just 1 of these fruits to his daily routine, everything started changing. Within weeks, the tingling eased, his steps got stronger, and he felt more in control of his body again. Today, he walks an hour each morning, and he swears it all started with fruit. So if you're over 60, start small. Pick 1 of these fruits, eat it daily, and build from there. Your body still wants to heal, you just have to give it the right tools. And sometimes, those tools are as simple as what's in your fruit bowl. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone over 50, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart health tips to keep you feeling your best.